Hello guys, today we're going to unbox this portable suction cap mount support for action cameras made by Smallrig. Okay, I'll go easy peasy. Oh, look how big it is. Nice metal made, ironclad, beautiful, beautiful, beautiful. Look at that. Just trying. Okay, no, how do I stop it here? Don't know. It's very nice. It's a very nice feeling when I hold it, although I want to understand how to stop it from no, this is too large. No, too large. Okay, yes, now it's blocked. That's good. That's lovely. And now and then this is going to be the part that I'm gonna attach to the glass, or I think probably any surface, I don't know. Surely the glass will work. Okay guys, thank you for watching this video. I hope you did enjoy it, so that maybe you can leave a like, subscribe to the channel, leave a comment down below, any suggestion for example, yeah, and share the video with the people who are into creating videos. Thank you very much. Bye then.